We have a right to talk. We have the right to tell you to stop killing our people. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Stop killing our people.
What do we want?
Justice.
Justice for Somalis in South Africa.
What do we want? What do we want?
Justice.
When do we want?
Justice for Somalis in South Africa.
Justice for Somalis in South Africa.
Stop killing Somalis in South Africa.
Stop killing Somalis in South Africa.
Stop the xenophobic attacks.
We are against South Africa. Stop killing the Somalis.
What do we want?
What do we want?
When? Now. Stop the killing.
Stop the killing.
No more killing.
No more killing.
No more killing.
No more killing.
Stop the killing.
Stop the killing.
What do we want?
Justice.
When?
Now.
What do we want?
Justice.
What do we want?
Now.
Stop the killing.
Stop the killing.
No more killing.
No more killing.
No more killing.
No more killing.
Stop the killing the Somalis.
Stop the killing Somalis.
In South Africa.
South Africa.
Down 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 South Africa.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. halkan waxaan u nimid inaan ku banaan baxno dawladda South Africa oo laynayso dadka muhaajiriinta oo jinsiyad kasta leh gaar ahaan Soomaalida tii ugu dambaysay 30 May ay ninka inta qaawiyeen ay jidka ku jiideen ay dileen ay ku dileen dhagax ayaan ka soo horjeednaa waxaan rabnaa waxaan ku baaqaynaa waana cambaaraynayna adduunyada waxaan ka codsanaynaa inay arrintaas joojiyaan ay taageeraan nabadda we want peace justice we want peace we want
We are against the savage killings of Somalis in South Africa. We urge the South African government to take action and bring those criminals, those rapists to justice. We are against the senseless killings of our people and the looting of our wealth in South Africa. We urge the South African government to take action.
No more violence. No more violence.
Yes, and women, we need justice. Somali people in South Africa. We need justice.
This is the statement from the South African government.
This is the South African government.
And this is issued by the embassy.
Yeah. South Africa government slams attack on foreign nationals' businesses. South Africa's transition to democracy was one of the world's best testimonies of tolerance and peaceful coexistence, and we cannot allow a few individuals to reverse and undermine our historical achievements. The South African government has condemned in the strongest possible terms these weakest outbreaks of attacks against foreign nationals in Johannesburg, Diepsloot Township and other parts of the country. Front for looting and stealing. There was no doubt that a strong criminal element was a driving force behind the attacks. Items of material value have been taken away from the victims, which clearly indicates that this was not only to remove foreigners from their business premises, but to take their belongings. This clearly shows that these recent attacks on foreign nationals are a front for criminal looting. It is important to note that these criminal elements attack both South African citizens and foreign nationals. Steps to end the violence. The South African government will continue to find solutions to these attacks. The South African police services have increased patrols to ensure that there are no other attacks. 100 people associated with this recent lawlessness have been apprehended. South Africa will act in line with the international law. South Africa is a signatory to the Geneva Protocol of Refugees, and we will fulfill its obligations as outlined in this protocol. South African laws protect all foreign nationals. whether they are here legally or otherwise, and any violent behavior towards foreign nationals must be rejected by all. Foreign nationals have rights as South Africans and all are equal before the law. The government of South Africa reiterates this is not xenophobia, but some criminal elements issued by Embassy of the Republic of South Africa, Dublin, Ireland.
shucuurtana aad bay u kacsan tahay maanta sida oo jeedaan halkan waxa isku soo baxay Soomaali badan oo ka xun dhibaatooyinka loo geysanayo walaalaheena ku nool dalka South Africa runtiina mudaharaadku wuxuu ku dhamaaday si nabad ah waxaa noo soo baxay safaaradda waxayna ka soo saareen statement mudaharaadkuna wuxuu ku soo gabagaboobay si really mataqaana aad nabad ah
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مقعي وإفراح أحمد أنا وكو هلايو مقع الصومالي كوميونيتي آيلاند maanta waxaa ku soo banaan baxnay safaaradda South Africa ee dalka Ireland meeshan aan ka soo muujinay dhibaatooyinka lagu hayo dadkeena Soomaaliyeed ee ku nool dalka South Africa waxa leeyahay Soomaali walaalayaal ah ka daalina in dadkiina u dagaashiin oo dadkiina u dhimatiin waxa yeelay anaga Soomaaliya 20 sano iyo ka badan ay isdileen maanta hadda qurbaha iimaan dadkeeni oo nolol sameysanayo oo businesskooda iyo wax walba sameysanayo hadii la sii dilo wax xun way gabdhaheena oo ayagoo uur la xoogayo la dilaayo dhibaato weyn ee maanta anaga hadaan ay qurbi joog waa inaan ka hadalnaa arrintan waa inaan la hadalnaa dadka dhibaatooyinka hay waa inaan la hadalnaa dawladeena Soomaaliya waa inaan ka hortagnaa dadka dhibaatooyinka nagu sameeyay walaalayaal waa inaan u istaagnaa magaca Soomaaliya waa u istaageena magaceena dadnimadeena Soomaalinimadeena calankeena Soomaaliya ha noolaato ninkii dhiig loo kac salaam